NBC29 forecast.
All right, tracking severe thunderstorms. There is a look now from our Charlottesville camera, and we've moved it a little bit. This is still looking northwest. The cell that I'm concerned about is north and east of the city of Charlottesville, and it may exhibit some rotation, at least aloft. Currently, we don't have a tornado warning, but this is a history. This storm has had a history of producing some large hail. So we'll zoom in on the current warning, which is for northeastern Albemarle till 7 o'clock, and then farther north for Orange County until 6:30. Most of that cell is moving now into Spotsylvania County. But let's take a look at the cell north and east of the city of Charlottesville. It's had a history of producing large hail. We've had hail up toward Earlysville. Here we are out toward Stony Point, south on 20, out toward Cache Corner on 231. Now, as we take a look at the current reflectivities, you can see very heavy rain, but again, that hail threat is certainly high, and all these storms this afternoon that have developed, and our northernmost counties have seen the worst of it, have seen the hail. Now, this is the velocity product showing you the winds aloft. Again, there is a little couplet here between red and green. Green is away from the radar, red is toward, and when they get close like that, we don't like to see that. That sometimes shows the potential for rotation within the thunderstorm. Again, this is a severe thunderstorm warning currently, but if you live in northeastern Albemarle, again, take cover from this storm indoors away from windows until it passes. You can see the frequent lightning here, and again, all these storms have had a history since it developed here south and east of Harrisonburg, from Massanutten, Elkton, Standardsville, Earlysville, out toward Locust Dale, of producing some large hail. And these are some of the current hail tracks with these individual storms, and some of the storm tops were up around 40,000 feet this afternoon. So earlier this afternoon, we had a little cluster roll through, and now this is the second cluster. So our northernmost counties have seen the rain and have seen the severe weather, and that's basically been it across the mid-Atlantic here. 81 at the airport currently. Again, the humidity is certainly higher than recent days at 75 at the Valley Airport in Weeders Cave, and you can see if you haven't been rain cooled, you're still in the low 80s. Temperatures tonight will settle into the upper 50s, and there may be a stray shower overnight. Tomorrow is a much more pleasant and settled day. Most of us will be in the middle 70s for afternoon highs, and really a pleasant stretch of fall weather will take us through the rest of the week into the start of the weekend. So this front will continue to push south and east tonight. Once it does, high pressure builds to our north. That'll mean some delightful weather. Those 80s will quickly be chased away in the passage of that front. Still watching Hurricane Sam. It's a major Category 4 hurricane, winds of 130 miles an hour. It will pass east of the island of Bermuda later Friday into Saturday, but large swells will continue to emanate from that hurricane and along the eastern seaboard late this week and into the weekend. So Futurecast depiction tonight around 8 o'clock, those storms are marching off to the south and east. Overnight, there may be a passing shower toward daybreak. Otherwise, clearing skies. We're in the 70s for highs tomorrow. Thursday morning, we'll start in the upper 40s and low 50s. Thursday afternoon, back in the 70s. So let's get this line of storms through. Again, isolated severe is ongoing. Temperatures tonight in the upper 50s. Could be a stray shower overnight. Improving conditions here for tomorrow, and a delightful stretch of weather will take us right through the end of the week. Right now, the upcoming weekend looks to start dry. Could have some showers late Sunday into Monday of next week.